So, I've been going through new games I've uploaded from ToyMania.com. A variety of different titles. Some work well, other ones do not. So, we're going to do that later. And I want to go to educational. And I want to go to sign language. Sign language fund, which is really important. Because people do use this to communicate. And it's important for people to know exactly how to use sign language. It really is. I don't know why it's in black and white. Well, stuff's up here. You get to echo. So you put these two buttons up here. I don't know why it's doing that. But I believe what you can do here is that you should be able to oh. There we go. You get echo, letters, you get words, sentences, file maker. Let's look at echo. On. There's that person right there. I like that little suit right there. That little symbol of a fist on his shirt. That's cool. Dressed with a nice collar. I like a wallpaper in the background. And let's see what this person can do. I guess I'm supposed to type something. So let's type R Y A N space F R A C I E R. Wow. Rules. Watch this. Wow. 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 That is so neat. So, that's how you do volume phrasal rules and sign language. That is so neat. Let's try something else. Let's try, let's try, I don't know. Let's try Atari. Oh, that's so neat. Oh my gosh, that's so neat. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So, let me see what we can do to go back to the other options. It won't let me do any other options. So, let's go to escape. And Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So let's do letters. Let's do letters. Let's go back here. Let's do this. Oh, start. Uh-oh. Don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. Press start. Ah. J as in Jill. J as in Jill. Jill. I'm probably doing it wrong. Sorry. First time. J as in Jill. No, that's wrong. J as in Jill. J as in Jill. I don't know. J as in Jill. Wow. So I'm gonna see what this comes up. I have no idea. Oh. Well, I guess if I just do this right here, maybe I do I. No. Okay. So this is J. D. D as in, oh. D as in David. I'm probably doing that wrong. I'm so sorry. First time doing this. But it's educational. Jill again. Okay, so. J as in Jill. J as in Jill. J as in Jill. J as in Jill. I'm probably doing it wrong. But anyway, you get the gist of it. I like this program. Oh, so it's educational like you can't believe. I like it. So let's do escape. Escape. Let's do words. See what that does. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes. I think it was the. Wow. Chew. I think that's fascinating. Airplane. Oh, that's so neat. So neat. I'm so happy. This is so cool. I love educational programs like this. So, yeah. So, I believe we did everything here. Echo, letters, words, sentences, file makers, how you say. Oh, I'm so happy.